Welcome to Doctor's Choice Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation Center in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. As you can see, we have plenty of free parking. We are also handicap accessible, and for those who work, we have evening and Saturday appointments available. We also have same-day appointments available most days. Oftentimes we can get additional insurance coverage because of our unique structure. By this we mean we can get better coverage than just the average chiropractic office or the average physical therapy facility. At our office we have 2 doctors of chiropractic, a physical therapist, a physical therapy assistant, and a massage therapist. We treat everyone from young children to seniors. We have special equipment at our office that is not usually found in most rehab facilities. One of them is the automatic therapeutic movement. This treatment helps connect the brain and muscle impulses and provides better coordination for movement. It helps retrain altered movement patterns and helps provide stabilization for movement. We also have a lumbar Med-X machine. The machine actually measures the back strength of the muscles that stabilize your back, so it can identify weak back muscles. In its testing mode and in its training mode, it can make weak back muscles stronger and bring it up to normal. This is a great machine for low back pain. There is also studies out there that working out on this machine reduces workers' compensation back injuries. This is what the test results look like. In this result, we can see that the patient's test is all the way down here, where the normal strength for the patient is up here. On the other chart, this patient was actually 50% weaker than average. We also have a cervical Med-X machine. This machine is very similar to the lumbar Med-X machine. It will record the strength of the posterior neck muscles. These are muscles that help stabilize the neck. So we can test for muscle strength with it and train the muscles if they are weak. So this is very similar to the lumbar Med-X machine and is used specifically for neck problems. Another device that we use is called a Rotex. We use it for foot and ankle problems. This is great therapy for rotational hip exercises. This is often an overlooked cause of back pain. We also use vibrational exercise machines. We have 2 different types here at our office. This one, if you watch the video, you can see it pivots side to side. The other one we have shakes up and down. We use it for treating balance and coordination problems, for specific exercises for hips, backs, knees, and shoulder problems. Another diagnostic tool we use is called a MAT scan. We use it for determining weight distribution from left to right side. We also use it to identify any abnormality in gait, for foot and ankle problems, and the need for foot orthotics. In the picture below, you can see the results from a MAT scan. This was a static test where a patient was just standing on the mat. We can see the red here shows the patient had a lot more body weight on the heel area of the right foot, even though they had a 50-50 balance between their left and right side. So they were unbalanced between the front and the back of their foot. This person was actually carrying 67% of his body weight on his right heel. It's no wonder he developed a heel pain. The other test result here shows where a patient walked across the mat, and we can see the center of forces where the weight transfers through the foot as they walk. In this instance, the person had an imbalance of left to right side. However, they had an increased weight on the outside of their foot. And if you look at the arches, you can see the left arch is dropped more than the right side. We also treat many people who are involved in auto accidents. To help identify some of their injuries, we have a special piece of equipment in our office called a dynamic surface EMG. This technology identifies soft tissue and muscle injuries. In Florida, a person was awarded $650,000 for injuries where this equipment was essential to that verdict. We also treat many workers' compensation patients. We are on some panels, and those employers refer employees directly to us. Other times we are not on the panels, but patients seek our care. You can watch our videos at Workers' Compensation Dr. Pottsville, and we can explain the workers' compensation law and explain the 6-doctor panel and how you don't always have to treat for the 90 days with the doctors on the panel. So if you are having any type of spine, joint, nerve, or musculoskeletal problems, you can give us a call to schedule an appointment, or you can visit our website at chiropractorpottsville.net and view our blog to see more of our instructional videos.